Hello and welcome to our Canvas page for Review for STEM. Here's how you can sign up for mymathtest.com. You can click the link within this page that will take you to mymathtest.com or open a new tab in your browser and type in mymathtest.com. It will take you to this page. The first time you come to this page, you're going to register now as a student in the right side of the page. When the box pops up that says allow pop-ups to continue, you may go ahead and click the skip for now button. And it should bypass any negative consequence of pop-ups. Now, it says you'll need these three things to get started. Your email address, which we recommend using your miamioh.edu email address, and that's for account recovery. Your instructor's program ID, that is included here on the STEM page. We'll go back to that in a minute. And an access code. So we have an access code that you can use. You don't need to pay for this. This is going to be free for you. So we'll go to register for a course required by your instructor. Enter course ID or program ID. So we're going to go back to our review for STEM page, and we're just going to copy this program ID. If you select it, Control C or Command C, go back to the Register tab, and Control V or Command V to paste. Click Continue, and what you should see here is Placement Test taught by Regional TLC. If you see that, then you've found the right course. If you already have a Pearson account, you may sign in with those credentials on the left side. If you don't have a Pearson account, you'll need to create one. Click Create. And here's where you type your email address. Once again, it should be your miamioh.edu email address if possible. I already have an account, so I'm not able to type that one in. Select your password. Re-enter your password to make sure it matches. Type your full name. Security question. What is my account security hint? Okay. You must agree to the terms of use. One or more of these applies to me. It should not apply to you, so you don't check this box. You can, of course, click the terms of use and read through them, as you well should. And click the privacy policy and read through that too. And you may check this box if you want to. Or you can leave it blank. It's up to you. Click Create Account. If you're on your own personal computer, you can save the password. We don't recommend doing this on public computers. Prepaid access code is where we're going to click next. And we're going to go back to the Canvas page again, Review for STEM. And now we're going to copy this long access code that's listed on the Canvas site. So we'll select that, Control-C or Command-C to copy. Click back to Register, the Register tab. If you click in the first box and then click Control-V or Command-V, it should paste everything all across all the boxes in the appropriate way. And then you click Finish. And you're done. You can print this page as a receipt if you want to. And then for placement test, you will next click on to Go to My Courses. That will take you to the My Math Test homepage. And now, from here on out, when you go to the mymathtest.com homepage, you're going to go to Sign In on the right side. And you click this rectangle on the right to sign in. Once again, you may skip for now when the Allow Pop-ups to Continue box shows up. And here's where you want to type in your username and password and sign in. And it looks like the first time you come into this, you need to read some more policies, the end user license agreement. Select your country as the United States. Language English. Agree to the terms of use and policy. Make sure to read through all of that. And click Continue. It looks like we need to paste in the program ID one more time. So we can get that once again from the Review for STEM page. The program ID, Control-C or Command-C, come back to Register, enroll in a new placement program. It's a new tab here. Click in the first box. Make sure we can see that here. There we go. The first box. Is this your program placement test? It is the program that we want. And we click Enroll. And here we are. This is the home page for our placement test site in My Math Test. You can click the Take a Test link on the left side under Student. And the STEM Track Practice Test is where you can click into the first time. And this is just a practice test. It's going to gauge your current math knowledge among the prerequisite content for our courses Math 025, Math 125, and Math 151. It's an adaptive test, meaning that the questions will change in difficulty based on whether you get them right or wrong. And that way it will find your current level of ability. After you complete this test, notice this message here that says this test will affect your study plan score. After you complete this test, you will be able to work on a study plan. The study plan gives you practice questions as well as Quizmes for several different sections and topics among what we're going to be testing over the placement test. So this list will get updated each time you take our practice test. So we encourage you to use My Math Test to remind you of math topics you've learned before, to progress in math that you haven't looked at in a while. And that way it can give you the most accurate course placement when you do take our official placement test. Thanks for watching.